I would like to discuss something about entrepreneurship and how this is going to impact the lives of the student. As we are all aware of the 21st century, it is age of ideas. It is also the year of artificial intelligence. A lot of digital technologies have come into existence, and I can also call this age as age of entrepreneurs. Why I should call this as an entrepreneur? Who is an entrepreneur? How all the youth can become an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur, how he is different from a businessman? A businessman would always wanted to make money. He may not have innovation, or he may not have a societal feel or anything, but when we talk about entrepreneurs, they are problem solvers. They look for problems. They are creative. They want to fill the gap. They want to make the world better. So, this is the type of mindset an entrepreneur has. And of course, the business is not that difficult nowadays like how we had earlier because of lot of technological developments. And now this youth have lot of opportunity to update themselves on latest technologies, and they also have the qualities what an entrepreneur need. They are creative, they are fearless, they are willing to take risks, they are empathetic, they are collaborative. All these things will help the youth of 21st century to become a successful entrepreneur. The technology, when we talk about technology, how it is affected. Earlier, the localized approach, people could not expand and grow their business. The digital technologies has changed the way of doing business. Today, one can sit anywhere and be connected to the requirement of the business. The networking ability and cross-country exchanges are excellent now. Having said that, the data analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, virtual learning, amongst others, have gone beyond our assessment of businesses as we had known them earlier. For example, today one can collect data from almost anywhere, and the algorithm can tell you the consumer pattern, their preferences, and paying capability with predictive analysis. With such predictive analysis and data analysis, you can reach out to the customer with an almost precise preference, which you could not have done earlier. The entrepreneur today is very fortunate to have technology that helps him to reach out to the right customer with the right product. I would say that the current generation desire a change in terms of how we live, how we work, and how to look at work. They seek a work-life balance with a flexible work schedule. They look at wealth creation through improvements to living standards of local communities. Entrepreneurship impacts students in finding new solutions. It gives them a chance to live their life on their own terms, and they create social change through access to the advanced tools and improving knowledge for improving living and working standards. So, students and the youth of current generation, you have to improve your growth mindset, look at the world for opportunities, take the challenges and find a way to give a solution, and you will be a successful entrepreneur. Stay blessed.